Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Blue Mountain Empress channel. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. If this is your first time coming across this channel, this face, please subscribe, like, share, and leave a sweet positive comment. Well guys, I'm outside. Yesterday, we had a snowstorm, and before that we had some very arctic, chilling temperature. That was Saturday. And so, since I came home from work on Friday, I went food shopping Friday evening, and I've been home ever since. I'm outside, guys. Pardon me for the noise. The sanitation trucks are passing by. And since I came home Friday, I have not been back outside again. This is my first time coming outside. Guys, we got a lot of snow. I'm gonna turn my camera around. You guys could see the snow that we got yesterday. So I thought I'd come out and get some fresh air, because even though it's cold and it's nasty outside, getting fresh air is so important. Whoa, look at birds, look at pigeons. This man over here feeding them. Yeah. So my dear, so this is what we're doing today.
You have a good soul, good energy, because they stay when you pass.
That's what it means?
Yes, when it's evil people, they fly like
You're
a bullet.
kidding me. That's something new. I never heard that.
They feel the evil.
Wow.
And they feel the goodness. Look at them.
Wow. That's
Now
interesting.
that guy's coming. He was far away. You
Yeah.
walk right between them. You see
And
what I'm saying?
they stayed there.
Yeah.
That's interesting to know.
Yeah.
I never know
The
that.
animals can tell evil.
So have good spirit.
Yes,
Good
definitely.
vibes.
You know, I'll tell you quickly a story. I had a friend of mine who was very cruel, a
Yeah.
white man, very similar to Dahmer, lives in Pennsylvania. And he said he had 3 pit bulls, he didn't want them anymore, so he took a hammer to their head. Now he visited other breeders who visit. Now he had been to the breeders' houses before, and everything was cool. When he killed those dogs, a week later he went to the guys, the dogs, all of them, were cringed.
Because they felt it.
Yeah,
they felt the bad energy.
They felt the evil, and they go, oh. And he says he couldn't believe it. That
Really?
After he had hammered, you know, he says, because he was a younger man, he's 50 now, but he was about 26, 27. He says, I was crazy when I was young. I didn't care. I would kill, you know, animals and stuff. I'm pretty sure he killed a person or two too, but that's.
Oh, wow.
Anyway, so the thing here, but he never shared that, but I can tell. And so he told me the animals would cringe and would fear and go like that. And he said he never, you know, he was impressed that that they could detect what they had done, which was extremely cool.
They sense the bad energy.
Yes. And then your energy obviously is good energy because you walked right through it.
Oh, that's interesting to know. I feel good about that.
You saw that man, he was at distance, they all left.
That's interesting to know.
I know.
You learn something new every day, right?
Yeah.
I'm glad to hear that. Thank you.
Yes, amen.
Okay.
God is with
Have a
you.
good day.
You too.
Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Oh, did you guys hear that? So I was passing a whole lot of pigeons at the corner, and there's a man there feeding them, and he says to me, you have good energy, because when you pass those pigeons, there were so many of them, they didn't move. Not all of them moved. Some of them still, was on the ground eating. And he said, you have good energy, because they did not even move. Wow, that is interesting. I've never heard that. That is unbelievable. But this man always there feeding the pigeons. He's always feeding them. And he's always feeding them. Yeah, but that's something to think about. I never even heard that before. Never. The pigeons can feel your energy. They can feel your vibes. That's interesting to know. Guys, if you're watching from other parts of the USA, tell me what is the weather like in your part of the country, in your state. Did you get snow? Did you get Arctic cold? Tell me about it, guys. Look at the snow, guys. I'm walking on the sidewalk and it's fairly clean. Because many businesses have to clean up in front of their stores or their business places. They have to, because if somebody fall, they are held responsible for that person fall if they don't clean up. Because I'm going over a little hill. But it's snow everywhere. The only time I like snow is when it's coming down. And it's nice and it's soft and untouched. Any other time it's on the ground, I don't like it at all. But now it's getting all dirty and disgusting.